So hello students, today we are going to learn part 9 of chapter number 2, polynomials. Okay, so in the previous part we have learned about some algebraic identities. Now today also we are going to learn about the next remaining algebraic identities. Okay, now today we are going to learn about x plus y bracket cube, that is first term plus second term bracket cube. Okay, now before directly writing its formula, let us see how to derive its expansion. Okay, so this x plus y cube can be written as x plus y and x plus y bracket square. Okay, now this x plus y will remain as it is, but this we can expand. We already have its identity. Okay, that is, what is its identity? So we can write this x plus y as, instead of this we can write it as x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now from where we got this identity? So this is our identity number 2. Okay, we have already learned it. Okay, and this x plus y will remain as it is. Okay, then further in next step, now let us see what will happen further. Okay, so I've already written here. So now we have x plus y bracket cube equals to x plus y square. This cube indicates that this x plus y is repeating itself 3 times. So this is 1 time and this one 2 times. Okay, now this x plus y bracket square we have expanded as x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, now what will happen? Now this x plus y, okay, this x first it will multiply with this full bracket, and then this y will multiply with this full bracket. So in the next step we are getting this x into x square plus 2xy plus y square plus y, that is this y, into this full bracket. Okay, now this x will multiply to each and every term present inside the bracket. So what we are getting, x square plus 2x square y plus x into y square xy square. Similarly, y into x square y into 2xy 2xy square, y into y square y cube. Now we have to check that any like terms are there or not. So yes, x square y x square y. So let us highlight these like terms. Okay, these both are like terms, so we can add this like terms. So this 2x square y plus x square y will become 3x square y. Now let us see, do we have any term with xy square? So yes, we have a term with xy square, that is these two terms are like, so we can add them further and get as 3xy square. Now this formula, it can be easily written in this way, or further it can be seen that from these two terms, here 3xy is present, here also 3xy is present, so we can remove that 3xy out of the bracket. Now 2x were there, so 1 we have removed, so 1 will remain inside. Here 2 y's were there, so 1 we have removed, so there will be 1 inside. Okay, so our final formula is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus xy, okay, in bracket x plus y. Now just like this one, for x plus y bracket cube, you can derive the formula for x minus y bracket cube. Okay, x minus y bracket cube. How will you derive it? Same condition, first keep x minus y and then keep x minus y bracket square, then further you will get a formula in the same way. So now we are getting two identities over here. Our first identity is x plus y bracket square equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Okay, or we can write this one as x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y. Why? Because this will multiply inside, plus 3xy square. Okay, on the other hand, suppose if we have x minus y bracket cube, that is first term minus second term bracket cube, then how its expansion is written as first term cube minus second term cube minus 3 into first term second term in bracket first term minus second term, or it can be also written as x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y. Now remember that this minus into minus will become plus, so our next term will be plus 3xy square. Okay, so while solving example, either you can use this formula or this one. Okay, depends on the condition. Now let us solve some examples based on this one. Okay, now here it is given that write the cubes in expanded form. Okay, so now look at this example. It is of what format? First term minus second term bracket cube. So let us do one thing. I'll copy this formula over here. So now as per the formula, what is the condition? Okay, let me keep this formula here. So now solution equals to, now it is given as a first term cube. Okay, so what is our first term here? 5p. So what we will write here? 5p bracket cube, then minus what is given further? Second term cube. So what is our second term? It is only 3q. Remember this thing. Okay, it is 3q. So here we will write it as minus 3q bracket cube. Then as per our formula there is minus sign, so we have to keep here minus. Now 3 into, now here x means first term, y means second term. So what is our first term? It is only 5p, and second term is 3q. Okay, in bracket now it is first term minus second term. Okay, so we can write it as 5p minus 3q, that equals to, now what you will get further? Now what is the cube of 5? So it is 125 p cube minus, now 3 cube is 27 q cube. Now minus into plus, so it will become minus, and 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So you will get 45p cube, and on next bracket, now here we will have 5p minus 3q. Now if you are keeping this one as your answer, then also it will be correct. If you want to multiply this inside, you can multiply. Okay, suppose if we are multiplying it inside, then let us see what we will get. Okay, so now we have, it will become 125p cube minus, just a minute, so further it will be 125p cube, then minus 27q cube. Now when we are multiplying this 45pq inside, so minus into plus will become minus. Now 45 into 5, so that will become 225p square q. Why? Because this p into p will become p square, and this q alone. Now minus into minus will become plus. Now 45 into 3, so that will be 135. Now p is only one time, here no p is there, but q into q will become q square. Okay, now check further, do we have any like terms or not? So now we don't have any further like terms. Okay, so one thing is remaining here, it should be written as p q square. Okay, so now this is our final answer. Okay, hope you must have understood up till here. Now let us solve one more example. Now suppose it is given that evaluate each of the following using suitable identities. Okay, so now we have 104 bracket cube. We know that 104 cube means 104 is multiplied 3 times, but we don't want to multiply directly, we have to make use of the identities. Okay, so how to use that identities? So it can be written as 100 plus 4 bracket cube. Now when we are writing it as 100 plus 4, so that is 104, but now it has changed into which format? First term plus second term bracket cube, and already we have an identity for that one, that is this identity. Okay, so let us copy this identity over here. So now as per our identity, what is the condition? Now first term cube. So what is our first term over here? 100 cube. Then plus next condition, second term cube. So our second term is 4, so it's cube. Plus next it is given at 3 into first term into second term. So we will write it as 3 into, now what is our first term? 100 into second term 4. Okay, in bracket, now sum of that first two terms, so that will be 100 plus 4. So now that equals to, now what we have to do, we have to find its cube. So cube of 100 will be, here 2 zeros are there, in its cube there must be 6 zeros. So I am just writing here 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus cube of 4 is 64. Okay, then plus 3 4s are 12, 12 into 100 will become 1200 into, now this 100 plus 4 will become 104. Okay, equals to, now remember that in between these two multiplication sign is there, so as per the Bodmas rule, first we have to multiply this one. Okay, so next step you will get this one, then 6 zeros plus 64 plus, now 104 into 1200, you will get it as 12480. Now in next step what we have to do, everywhere numbers are there, so we have to add them directly. Okay, so our final answer will be 1124864. Okay, so this is our final answer. So here what we have done, we have solved the, or expanded this one, we got the value of 104 bracket cube by which identity? By using our sixth identity, that is x plus y bracket cube. Suppose in case of this one, instead of 104 cube, suppose if it is 10, suppose it is 97 cube, then how will you write this one? So 97 cube can be written as 100 minus 3 bracket cube. Now it is easy to write it as 100 minus 3 bracket cube instead of writing it as 90 plus 7 cube. Okay, this will be more difficult. Okay, and this will be easy for us to calculate. Okay, so this way you have to solve remaining examples. Okay, now let us see about next example. Now here in this example, it is given that factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus a 54xy square. Now whenever an example is given of factorization, you have to look at the perfect square or the perfect cube. Now here it is given in terms of cube, means the number adjacent to the variables must be a perfect cube. Okay, from there only you can get directly idea. So solution equals to, now this 8, it is what? A perfect cube of 2, so we can write it as 2x bracket cube. Okay, So now 2 cube 8 x cube as it is. Now this 27, it can be written as 3y bracket cube. Why? 3 cube 27 is coming. Now we have decided our first and second term. Okay, so as per our formula, we have an identity over here. So now we have decided our first and second term. Now what it should be further? Now we either use this identity or further we write it as x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so now we have to convert this one 36x square y in terms of this one. So how to write it? So now plus 3 into, now what is our first term? 2x into 3y. Now check whether after multiplying this one, are we getting 36x square y? So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, so then it means that somewhere we are wrong. So now where we are wrong? So as per our formula, it is what? It's a first term square, and we have considered only single one. Okay, so now we have to write this one as square. Now let us check it. 2 square will be 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So yes, we are getting 36x square y. Then plus, now as per our formula, it is what? 3 into first term into second term bracket square. So let us write it. 3 into our first term is 2x into our second term is 3y. So 3y bracket square. Now check it. 3 square will be 9. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54. X is only one time and y is in square form. So it means that this whatever we have written is correct. Okay, now this is what? Expansion of x plus y bracket cube. Okay, that is nothing but equals to, now what can we write further? Yes, it can be written as first term plus second term bracket cube. So what is our first term? 2x plus 3y bracket cube. So that equals to, now we have to factorize it, means we will write this one how many times? 3 times. Okay, so you will get 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y and 2x plus 3y. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Hope you all must have understood.